In this lecture, I will show you how you can disconnect any device from any network. So let's get it started. So for this, you need to use a Linux operating system. So you can use Kali Linux or Parrot OS. Then open the terminal and enter sudo su. It's a first command for access root user. Then give the password. Okay, second command is airmon ng check kill for convert mode. Okay, before enter this command, you must add the Wi-Fi adapter. Then if it's attached, then give this command airmon ng check kill, because every Wi-Fi adapter is mode managed. So for analysis and for disconnect, we need to change the mode, and so use this command airmon ng check kill, and it will be monitor mode. Okay, and the command 3 is airmon ng start LAN 0 for check the interface name. See, on there showing interface name is LAN 0, and on there showing, yeah, it's a monitor mode already enabled. Okay, so on there if showing managed mode, then it won't work. Okay, that means command 4 won't work if it will manage mode. Okay, so let's see what is the command 4. Yardu ng, then give the interface name. Interface name is LAN 0, so LAN 0, and see, it's a important, will not work if the interface mode is monitor, and if you will run the program as a root user. That means you must use sudo su for access a root user. Okay, on the showing how will show in the screen. See, they're showing BS. Okay, see, will show in the screen. See how it's look like. And what is this? It's a show all access point. That means it's a BSSID, that means Wi-Fi MAC address, and ESSID, that means the name is this one. Okay, so on there available 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means available 6 access point, and every MAC address is change. Okay, every MAC address is unique, and ESSID also unique. Okay, it's the name, the Wi-Fi name. Okay, and on there showing channel. Actually, this one is the channel 1 6 11 7 12 12. Okay, it's a MB and ENC WEP and WEP, and okay, and now see the next command. Okay, so on there we learn that on the available BSSID, that means the Wi-Fi MAC, and it's a ESSID, and also have the channel 1 6 11 7 12 12. Okay, let's see the next command is yardu ng BSSID, then give the BSSID, then you can also give the channel 1, then the interface name. Okay, why you will use this command? Okay, suppose I want to, okay, I want to specific analysis. I want to analyze this Wi-Fi. Okay, so I want to see how much user using this Wi-Fi. Okay, so I need to give the BSID. Okay, which one? This one, and you can also give the channel. Okay, so channel number is 1. So let's see. And then I give yardu ng, then BSID, the MAC address, then channel, and 1 LAN 0, the interface name. Okay, that means you can also give as a short So use arrow ng. For BSS ID you can use only D, then target BSS ID. Then for channel you can use short form only C, then channel long, then the interface name. Okay. Or suppose on their C available 2 channel 12. Okay, it's a hidden SSID. See, it's a hidden SSID. And another one is who am I? Okay, so I want to see these one, okay, who are using these two device. So I can use Airdrop NZ C12 LAN 0, then will analyze these two device. Okay, so if I enter this one, then what will show? Will show in the screen. Okay, actually show all client who connect now with this device. Okay, so see on the showing BSS ID only this one because I select only this one. So and okay, channel 1 and ESID, and on the showing at this time it's connect 3 device and see station, that means the user's MAC address, and this is the base ID same because it's scanning same Wi-Fi. Okay, and it's find 3 device connect with this Wi-Fi. Okay, see this one is user MAC address. Okay, so I also find the all user MAC address who connect at this time. So I select this one. I want to disconnect this device from this Wi-Fi. So how I can do? Okay, so let's see the command 6. The command 6 is replay ng. So give replay ng, then due for deauthentication, and the value is 4, then A, and then you must give the Wi-Fi MAC address, then C, then give the target MAC address which one you want to disconnect, then give the interface name. Okay, let's see. Okay, replay ng, then duth, then at the rate of, that means this one how much time want to disconnect. I want to disconnect 4 times, so give the 4, then A, target base ID, my target base ID for Islam Riyadh, and C, target user MAC address, this one. Okay, then the interface name is LAN 0. Then if I enter, then will show in the screen date, that means when you will do, then on the showing BSS ID, then the MAC address, then C, target MAC address, and the interface name LAN 0. Okay, on there will show deauthentic 4 times, that means it will do 4 times disconnect this device. If you want to disconnect 100 times, you can give the value 100. If you want to disconnect 1000 times, then on there you must input 1000. Okay, so this way you can disconnect any device from any network. So that's it.